guys, what's up? It's Nidhi and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme again. Yes, I did this video earlier on my channel, but the quality wasn't up to mark, so I'm redoing it with the newer shades which I have. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. This is my perfect selection for dusky skin beauty, so I hope it is really helpful for all my brown skin girls. Please continue watching, and if you like this video and this was helpful for you, then hit that like button and continue watching for all the swatches and a short review on these lipsticks. So guys, those were all of the swatches without makeup, in studio lights as well as in natural light. So I hope these help you out. Now quickly I'll sum up the review of these guys. So basically packaging is this kind of tube packaging, as it is having a black cap and a color coded tube, so it is really convenient to find out in rush which color exactly you want to pick out. There are stickers of the shade numbers on the bottom of the tube. They don't have any name, and you also get manufacturing as well as expiry on the plastic seal which you get on the tubes. They're having 3 years of expiry. And talking about the formula of these lipsticks, these are not like your normal lipsticks. They're not like liquid lipsticks nor perfect creamy lipsticks. They are a mousse whipped kind of formula, which is really soft when you apply it, and then it completely dries to powder matte. It does not transfer, you guys, but if you smear it, the color will transfer on your fingers. So I would say this is a non-transfer lipsticks, but it does smear, so it is not smudge proof. You get 6.5 grams of a product in these. These lipsticks come in a variety of shades, and I really mean by variety means a big spectrum of color range. Like this comes in 64 shades currently. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 shades. I'm having total 8 shades. Now it is available on Nykaa. When I got them, these weren't available online, so you had to get it from the beauty stores or beauty centers, and I went to Mumbai especially for these lipsticks because they were so damn raved, and I am so glad that I got 8 of them. This lipstick formula is to die for, guys. It is the kind of lipstick you might have never experienced before. These are so damn good, and the price range of this on Nykaa is 295 rupees per piece. But like if you go in those beauty centers and beauty stores, there you get it for around 150 rupees per piece. So the price varies from rupees 150 to 295 depending from where you're getting them. As the name says, these are soft matte lip creams, so very creamy moussey formula. It is really comfortable on the lips, does not feel drying. It is so damn soft, light, like air light finish, and it does not transfer, which is the best thing. Longevity is also good of these lipsticks. It does fade away a little if you're having oily meals. Otherwise really good even with meals for 5 to 6 hours. Easily these will last on your lips, and these colors are to die for, guys. Please get at least one of these and you would remember me for that. My favorite out of this lot has to be 55 and 58. Basically both are nudes. One is a nude brown and the other one is a nude pink purple shade, but I really love these shades. And my mom loves shade number 08 and 01, which I'm wearing currently, the red one. She loves these colors. So yes, that was my short chotu sa review on these Miss Claire soft matte lip creams. I hope you guys really found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.